Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating the meeting now. Use Calendar or Meet. Google. Com and add guests so invitations already exist. Once created, make sure your camera and microphone are set to the right devices and permissions. Testing audio prevents delays. Next, copy the meeting code or invite link and place it in the calendar event or chat. This ensures participants can join promptly. Finally, join a few minutes early to confirm layout and host controls are available, so the session starts smoothly. Once participants begin arriving, use host controls to admit or remove attendees and mute noisy lines. This keeps audio clean. Make sure to assign co-hosts if you need help moderating, and pin the active speaker to focus the group. Also, control who can present by adjusting screen sharing permissions to prevent interruptions. When you need interaction, create breakout rooms and enable Q and/or captions to boost accessibility. These tools keep the meeting organized and inclusive as it progresses. To finish, record the session to Drive if you need a replay, and remember to stop recording before you leave so file saves correctly. When wrapping up, either end the meeting for everyone or leave and transfer host duties to a co-host. Make sure chat and attendance data are preserved. If something goes wrong, reload the Meet tab, verify camera and microphone permissions, and switch networks if audio lags. This usually resolves common problems quickly and keeps your session reliable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.